Albert Einstein is often called the father of modern physics, but his story isn't just about genius. It's about curiosity, struggle, and ideas strong enough to reshape how humanity understands the universe. Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, in the Kingdom of Württemberg, then part of the German Empire. His parents were Hermann Einstein and Pauline Koch, and he grew up in a Jewish family. When he was still very young, the family moved to Munich, where his father and uncle started an electrical engineering business right as the age of electrification was beginning. As a child, Einstein attended a Catholic elementary school and later studied at the Leopold Gymnasium, but the strict rule-based education didn't fit his personality. He was more interested in questions than memorization, and by his early teens, he was teaching himself advanced math and geometry. In the mid-1890s, his family moved to Italy, and Einstein eventually continued his path into higher education in Switzerland. He studied physics and mathematics at the Swiss Federal Polytechnic School in Zurich, building the foundation for what would become one of the most influential scientific careers in history. But here's the part most people don't expect after graduating. Einstein struggled to find a university teaching job. Instead, in 1902, he began working in Bern at the Swiss Patent Office evaluating inventions as a technical expert. It wasn't glamorous, but it gave him something priceless: time to think. Then came 1905, Einstein's miracle year. While still a patent clerk, he published groundbreaking papers that changed physics forever. He explained the photoelectric effect, helped confirm the reality of atoms through Brownian motion, introduced special relativity, and revealed mass-energy equivalence, best known through the equation EMC. Those ideas became pillars of modern physics. Einstein's work didn't stay in academic journals for long. His reputation grew rapidly, and within a few years, he moved from the patent office into university positions, eventually becoming one of Europe's most recognized scientists. In the 1910s, Einstein pushed further toward what would become general relativity, a revolutionary way of explaining gravity. Instead of gravity being just a force, Einstein showed it could be understood as the curving of space-time. In 1919, a famous solar eclipse expedition led by Arthur Eddington measured the bending of starlight near the sun, results that strongly supported Einstein's theory and turned him into an international celebrity overnight. In 1921, Einstein was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics specifically for his explanation of the photoelectric effect, a discovery that helped launch quantum physics and later technologies like solar cells and modern electronics. But Einstein's life wasn't shaped only by science. In the 1930s, the political situation in Germany became dangerous, especially for Jewish academics. Einstein left Europe and settled in the United States, joining the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton. He later became a U.S. citizen in 1940. Even decades later, Einstein's influence extended beyond the laboratory. In 1952, he was famously offered the ceremonial role of President of Israel, but he declined, saying he didn't have the right experience for politics. Einstein died in Princeton, New Jersey, on April 18, 1955. At the age of 76, but his ideas are still alive everywhere, from GPS technology to quantum devices, from cosmology to the deepest debates about time and reality. And maybe his most inspiring legacy is this: Einstein didn't just chase answers, he chased better questions. Because sometimes, the greatest breakthroughs don't begin in a laboratory, they begin in a quiet room, with a curious mind refusing to accept the world as already explained.